This is a custom bike build for Wiz Khalifa.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Bitches wanna talk to me, can't contact. Hit my nigga for the plug, key to contact. And we only do big contracts. Whoa, Kush strong, catch a contact.
Just got the Stark delivered for Wiz's bike build to start. We're delivering in less than 2 weeks. Operation starts now.
Grab a lighter, huh? Something like a steamer, huh? Bong ripper, huh? Make sure it's cleaner, huh? Smoke session, huh? Nigga, what you mean, huh? In my car, huh? Cruising down the street, huh? So stoned, I'ma need something to eat, huh? No tray, huh? Ashes on my seat, huh? Hide up, huh? Taylor's
Things going down to the bones. Tubes, I think would be sick black.
What tubes? I think it'd be sick.
Take them to RP to
take them apart,
pull them apart
put
and put them back together.
I think the swing arm for sure black. I think do a black rear sprocket.
The only color pop I would like on the bike is the yellow of the logo. Everything's just like pretty black and like touches of chrome.
I think the gold chains that only pull like gold touch.
Yeah.
I think. We'll definitely want to polish everything too when the plastics are off, because that polish, if I use like a Dremel, it's gonna fling polish everywhere.
For sure, these pieces will come off. There's a bolt right here that runs into like the undercarriage part of the frame. You said do these black. I feel like it'd be kind of sick.
Yeah, I mean if we can do a black for sure.
I think we should.
We can start with taking all the plastics off.
Tell that nigga use a grinder for that weed, huh? And tell him roll another joint, don't fall asleep, huh? Smoke pizza, huh? Pipe like a cheaper, huh? Heard you got a cheaper price.
That's really looking like a good old naked bike. And yes, while we're building this bike, the only thing that we're smoking is Khalifa Kush.
For the highest in the room, look at me, huh? Somewhere in the clouds, that's where we wanna be, huh? Got you shook, huh? Not just for the look, huh? Half the day, huh? Wrote the whole book, huh? Drive slower, huh? Blow it by the O, huh? Eyes lower, huh? Everybody know it. And I be flowing. I get so high, fuck around and never come down. I get so high, I get so high, and I be flowing. I get so high, fuck around and never come down. I get so high, I get so high up and we're floating. Don't know where we're going. Night until the morning. We rolling, rolling, rolling. High up and we're floating. Don't know where we're going. Night until the morning. We rolling, rolling, rolling. High up and we're floating. Don't know where we're going. Night until the morning. We rolling, rolling, rolling.
Just pulled up to my dad's shop, RP Racing. We're gonna pull the suspension apart, the powder coat, that all stays. It's gonna be black. Off the powder coat. I wonder if we should go with the satin.
I almost think the satin.
I think that's what we did on the Tally too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go satin.
Just give me a quiet place and let me roll my weed. Well, ain't nobody in my business, don't nobody gotta know. Let all your conscience go and blow it by the O. I'm here, but my mind's gone. And it's getting hard to see you cause my eyes low. Marijuana minutes, nigga time slow. On the Kush clock, it's always time to smoke. Say I look high.
We're picking up all the parts at Powder 1, just finished powder coat in 2 days.
Some real love.
That's some real love.
Why are we stopping to get frozen yogurt?
The one stipulation if Big Bob's gonna put this suspension back together for us is gotta bring him a yogurt from Yogurt Mill. We got some fork tubes, we got a shock spring, we got a frozen yogurt. Let's see if this guy will build us some suspension. What's up, boys? I brought you a treat.
Believe that. is a Kush, nigga. Yeah. And they go wherever we go. Yeah.
Thanks, Dad.
Why can't everyone just smoke like me? Just get up out my face.
We have 7 days to finish this build. We're delivering the bike as a surprise to Wiz at his San Diego stop of his current summer tour. We're gonna get to cracking. All these beautiful, sweet, fresh coated pieces are ready to get mounted. We're gonna throw them back on the bike.
Zip, nigga, that's what I'm on. And I'm gon' re-up as soon as the file's gone. Smoking OG Kush from another time zone. As the smoke begins to pile on, wetting rags and putting bags over the fire alarm. You niggas styrofoam, lightweights. I'm on my 13th OZ, quite baked. You probably go to sleep, your throat might ache. You off that good weed, you need a nice break. See, I roll J's up all day and you won't have to put an eighth in. They saying it's amazing how I'm. Let me hear it.
We're in the pop-up paint booth where we're about to freshly paint a all black set of Stark plastics. It's all prepped, fresh. If you can't find black plastics, you figure out how to do it. If you don't know anyone that does it, you just do it yourself. It's just about to be sick. Gnarly in there, man. We got 3 coats of paint down yesterday. Took it in the shop, let the plastics dry overnight, and now we're bringing them back out. Do probably coats 4 and 5. Do a light little wet sand on it, and it should be ready to go on the bike. 3 days out.
Was young, I had dreams of getting richer. Then my homie Breeze set me down, schooled me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas, put me on the game. Told me if you tryna make your move, you gotta know your lane. Homie, all you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it.
Finalizing the design. The only other thing I was wondering, which this is huge, but like not having those yellow swooshes. I know, it completely changes the look. I like how it is, how the bike's just all black right now. I hated to throw the curveball out there, but I thought about it before. I'm just nervous about the big yellow. Not distracting, but kind of taken away from that gangsterness of the fucking.
Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Now everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Now everywhere we go, they said how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it, rolling up and selling.
Right now we just got to the final step for the plastics to prep them. We have to wet sand them because if you look on the plastics, it's got some little grits on it. And doing a little wet sand gets that all off, so the graphics put on nice and perfect, and you don't get any little bubbles or you see any of that underneath the graphic.
Medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated.
Just rolling a proper KK joint to be able to install this new seat cover.
Roll that weed up and smoke it. Take your bitch home and poke it. Juicy be getting so faded. Thank God I got a chauffeur on that good Cali bud, pulling hoes bad as fuck. Just like a youngin', my nigga Juicy do all them drugs.
It's my wife and doobie assistant Mel. This is how shit gets done around here.
Get a whole pound, smoke it by myself, or maybe at the Olympics with my homie Michael Phelps.
You know I'm fresh up off that corner, put some marijuana. They copy us, they clone us. Yeah, we some flat whip owners, got them.
Cam's putting the body kit on right now, and he's really nervous. It's getting real deal Holyfield.
Okay, so now we gotta get the seat on there without scratching these things.
Smell the hate. Middle finger, we getting paid. It costs much, but don't price that A. That dotted line ain't like that day. Comic book, let me illustrate like Pow Bang when they lift that K. My cousin died, wish I could get that day back like it's a vertebrae and bring that nigga on Front Street. Talk about it, never be about it. They don't want beef, cause that's lunch meat. So anything you need, you know that's on me. And that's OG, I swear, homie. Now let's get medicated.
How you feeling, Cam?
It's getting really real.
Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded. Riding down the street, the way I'm grinding is unique. My city holding on to me, so niggas holding on the heat. Throwing up their side, rolling up that leaf. All we do is get high. All we want is peace. Always on the grind, that's every day. So police looking, I'm just rapping, killing beats and trying to stay away from booking. Yeah, my niggas dirty, crooking. I just had to
Throwing the final bolts on right now. Graphics just went on.
Yeah, Loctite and everything.
Body kit went on. It's looking so sick.
Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded.
What's the next step, bro?
Time to load this baby up and deliver it to the man himself. Yeah, buddy. We're delivering the bike to Wiz right now.
That shit is dope. Look at him. Yeah, that shit's fire. Well done. Well done. You know what's so crazy though? He's about to underride.
He's going ride it. He's probably going to ride it around his house. It's like in the hills, shit. Man, it's not loud. It's not going to wake people up and shit. That thing is all detailed, right?
I just whispered. Just soaking this one in.
And now
you have a bike.
Oh, cool. That's mine? Oh, really? Oh, it's electric?
Yeah, it's no gear.
We needed the
Oh,
proper
Lord.
piece to display the collection, so
That's what Bash wanted.
we
He's been
took the
wanting that
baddest,
bike
newest
forever.
electric
just
bike
said, I'm like, damn
and
it.
we bare framed it from the ground up, customized it, custom graphics, seat cover, bar bags,
Damn.
to display what we'll be doing for the collabs.
This is the real fucking deal,
It's
right?
the real fucking deal. This is the baddest bike on the market.
Oh, Bash isn't doing anything on here. He's not even getting close to this. So check this. It doesn't shift up or down, it just
Single
goes.
speed, 0 to 100 as fast as you want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sick.
Alright, turn it off.
You can cruise it if you want.
Yeah, no, I'm good. Still hungover from last night. No drinking and driving.
addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches,
Thanks again, man.
Dude,
Appreciate it. It's a really good gift.
just stuck to work with you guys.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Thanks again, dog. I'll put it to good use, I promise. Thank y'all.
I get on? Damn. Is it lightweight?
He's sweet. So now,
I like it. Wait. Guys. Really? That was awesome, bro. That shit was oh shit, it's already locked and loaded. That's hard.
I feel great, man. This is made for me. I'm 6'2". I'm not 5'5". I can do this all day. Like y'all got a range? Like I'm trying to jump with hills now.
Got it.
Got it.
the boys are just getting down, spinning laps in the parking lot.
fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's out. Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Yeah, that's what it is. Until I drop the next one. wanna know where the planes at, planes at. Is this thing on? Word.
That's a brand new Stark right there.
Who's that going to?
That's going to Wiz Khalifa, dude.
Alright, we got the tree. Let's see if he'll build this shit. Shoulder out.
That's why I didn't play.
I plan on documenting how many grams of KK we use in this build. That'll definitely go in the budget. Going to baby turtle today. This is actually
Part of the frame.
part of the fucking frame.
That's what I was saying.
These are gonna look so fucking cool.
Did you say Trouble's here?
Good concentration, dude.
Hey, what up, dude? What's going on? How you doing?
Just wanted to say thank you very much for getting out.
Oh, you're welcome. I can't wait to see that mic was well done.
We're gonna go build it now. Boys, you're printing graphics for Wiz right now.
I don't know why you don't so stressed out about it.
Right now, the plastic's finished up, paint, they're all dry and tits. Cam's taking a nice little wet sand to it to give it the proper finish. Throw it on the bike and apply the sickest custom graphics you ever seen.
Holy shit, this is getting so real right now. Especially with the big ass Khalifa Kush logo just hitting in the face.
Alright.
Go team.
Go team.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up.